So you think you can dance, okay? Finalist number one. Finalist number one. Okay. Finalist number two. You're not going to sit down. Okay. Okay. Finalist number two. Number three. Finalist number four. You will have a more difficult challenge. Okay, finalist number four. Number four, gone. Number four.
Gusto mas mahirap.
You will have a more difficult challenge. Okay, come on. Last chance. Last call for the other finalists.
Can we go group dance?
They were able to do it one by one, so I think we should have the same challenge. Okay. 1, 2, number 4. Chicken. Okay, come on. Number 4. Hurry up. Okay, let's give her a round of support. Number 4. What? It's just dance. You will have a more difficult challenge. Okay. Miss De La Cruz. Number 4, Miss De La Cruz. Push her. Okay. Number 4. Okay. Finalist number 5. This is the most difficult group so far, okay? Finalist number 5. 6. Something, come on, finish it. Number 5, go on. Yeah. Listen. Number 5. 1, 2, 3. Go on. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, number 5. Nasa gitna. Take that step. 1, 2, 3. Gano'n mo naman kami? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good enough. Okay, next. Finalist number 6.
Background music.
Number 6 is Ongpin. Go on.
I really don't know.
You will have to. Okay. Okay, Mr. Gumay, come on. Come on. Number 6. What is this? Okay, come on. Miss Ongpin, come on. Number 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's hear it for number 6. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Finally, last finalist, number 6. One, two, three. Do it. Challenge look. Come on, number 7. 1, 2, 3. What's the way? Do a movement. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. Right? Very good. Because I really realized that some people have what you call a stage fright, and some people are not comfortable doing certain silly things in public. It's part of the training.